How to delete a Google account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can delete a Google account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to delete your Google account, it's actually very simple. All you have to do is simply open any Google app over here. In this case, I'm just opening my Play Store. It could be any Google app. In any Google app, you'll find the Google profile photo from the top right. You have to tap on it. And then over there, you'll find Google account, or more likely, it could also say manage your Google account. You want to make sure to tap on the Google account section. And to do that, over here, you have to just go to data and privacy. Then just scroll down to the bottom. You'll find delete your Google account option. Make sure to tap on it. Now, there are many things you have to remember when deleting your Google account. Anything that is linked to your Google services, such as your Google Photos, all the photos you have backed up, are going to get deleted. Anything that you've purchased from a Google account, you're going to lose those purchases. Anything that you've signed up, let's say you signed up your TikTok or Facebook with Google account, that's also going to get removed. Anything linked with your Google account is going to get removed, so just be very careful on this, and then just tap the continue option, and after that your Google account will get successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to delete your Google account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.